A fresh graduate in zoology walked into a zoo, hope in his eyes, a degree in his hand. At the interview, the manager leaned forward and said quietly, "Our star gorilla, the main attraction, just died." He paused. "We can't afford another. So we need you to wear the gorilla costume." The graduate blinked. "Me?" The manager nodded. "The job pays well." At first, he felt insulted. All those years in university, all those sleepless nights studying animal biology, for this? But rent was due. His parents were waiting, and hunger doesn't care about pride. He accepted. The next morning, he wore the gorilla suit. He jumped, he roared, he pounded his chest like the jungle king. He danced, hung from trees, and even posed for selfies through the bars. Day after day, he gave the performance of his life. Until one afternoon, while showing off a backflip, he mistimed his swing and flew right into the neighboring cage, the lion's cage. Silence fell. The lion slowly turned his head. Their eyes met, and the lion charged. Terrified, the graduate screamed, "Help! Somebody help me!" He ran, tripped, and fell. The lion leapt, landed right on top of him, then leaned in close and whispered, "David, it's me, Jacob, your college mate. Chill, bro. There are no jobs out here. You see that crocodile in the pond over there? That's Abed. He was our class rep.